Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clothing and footwear haul for you. So it's going to be a try on clothing haul like I usually do. So yeah, let's get into it. One of my favorite stores is Dotti. This stuff has been sitting here a while and I've worn it and washed it and worn it and washed it again. So it might be a little bit crinkled, but we'll just do what we're gonna do. Okay, so first up we have this denim skirt. It's a high-waisted denim skirt. This one I actually got on sale when they had 40% off store-wide. So it's this light bleached denim. I got this in a size 12 and I love this. It's perfect for summer. I've worn it a bunch of times and it's super comfy. It is a bit short, so keep that in mind, but yeah, I love it. I also did pick it up in white. I love white denim. Goes with so many things, and like the blue one, I've worn these so many times already, and yeah, I love them. I think that they were originally $50, but yeah, with the 40% off. With Dotti, just wait till things come on sale to then purchase them. This one is super crinkled, but it is this cropped shirt, this beautiful like linen fabric, and it's in this beautiful coral color. It has buttons down the front and then a little tie at the waist to be cropped. This one I got in a size 12 and I feel like the fit isn't exactly perfect, but I just really wanted like some tie waist tops. So yeah, I got that one, and in usual crystal form, I picked it up in white as well. I always get things if I love them in a different color as well. So yeah, I'll try those ones on for you. In December, we went to Bali for a wedding and I picked out this dress to wear. It's this beautiful blush color. I just absolutely adore it. It has like a halter neck and it just comes in at the waist, and then it's kind of like maxi length, but you know, one of the mullet dresses where it's shorter at the front, longer at the back. So beautiful, and I feel like I can definitely wear this to a few different things because of the style, and you can dress it up, dress it down. So beautiful. I love this one. I think I got it with 30% off as well. Originally, I think it might have been around $80. I don't think that they have this one anymore, but I'll show you it anyway. I haven't even worn it yet. It's this red cropped top, so it ties up at the waist like those other tops. It's also long sleeve with a bit of a flare, which is really cute. Now this one I got in a size 10 and the dress before was a size 12. I need to sew the buttons, like the seam together there, because you can see through the buttons, which is maybe why they don't have it anymore. But I just thought that this with the high-waisted denim skirt, I've got a festival coming up this weekend and I think that I'll wear this outfit. I also picked up this floral top. It's just like a blouse, like a sleeveless blouse. It has this neckline, like this gathered pin tuck neckline, and yeah, it just flows down. It doesn't have elastic or anything at the bottom, so you can wear it with jeans, or you know, it will look nice with that, or you can just tuck it in and wear it high-waisted. This one is in a size 12 and it was $30, and I got this one at 40% off. I picked up two basic tees, and these ones are really nice. I think they're called their Ivy tee, and they're just a like a, I don't know, they're not high neck, but you know, round neck tee, and they've got a little cap sleeve and they're ripped. So I got that in white, and then this beautiful rust color. Like, how gorgeous is this? So pretty. These ones I think were 2 for $25. I wanted to show you some pieces from Little Party Dress. Kelly was so kind to send me some items. First thing I have here is this beautiful maxi dress. If you've seen my Instagram, you've probably seen me wearing it in a post that I did. It looks freaking stunning, like so nice. It's this navy with this floral pattern on it. Now I got the size large, and I think that it's kind of a small fit, to be honest. Yeah, I'll show you it on. I just love this dress. It's super comfy too. It has a bit of stretch in it, and long sleeves, or you can roll them up. Next up, I have this floral dress as well. They're all floral. So it's a navy background with their floral as well. It's a V-neck, but then it has like a waist banding in the middle there, and it just flows out. It looks so pretty. This is in a size 12, and to be honest, it is quite a big fit. Would have definitely gone down a size, so keep that in mind with that one. I love the sleeves as well. So yeah, this is just a beautiful, classy dress. What's that? Another floral dress? So this one is a white floral dress. It has a bit of a V-neck and it has a zipper at the back actually, so you can get into it nice and easy. Has roll-up sleeves and elastic waist. Now this one, again, this is a size 12 and it does actually fit pretty big on me. I would have gone down a size, but I just love this style, and you can wear this all year round because you can wear it with tights and a coat, or you can wear it in summer. Lastly, I have another floral. This is a maxi skirt, and it's like a tie around the waist one, so it can fit you pretty much at whatever size. If you're in between sizes, it'll be good. Now, I did get the size 12, and I'll show you what it looks like on. It's really, really pretty. They have the best dresses at Little Party Dress, honestly. Casual, dressy, and you know, I love the fact that Kelly takes photos of them on herself. She's a regular person like I am, and it can be really hard to see how clothes fit on models that are a size 6 or size 8. So seeing them on a regular person, I think that she's a size 12, she says, when she takes the photos, and that's great as well because you can just get so much of a better idea of how the clothes look. But yeah, I love the fact that she does that. I've got a new favorite store, and it's Portmans. I have just been loving Portmans. They are just on fire, like honestly. I'm gonna start with this one here. This was my birthday dress. It's I think it's called the Kiki lace dress or something like that, and it's black, but it's kind of navy as well. I don't know, it looks black on the screen, but it's a very, there's all cat hair over it somehow. It is clean, but yeah, it's a beautiful dress. So it has a v-neck and just like straps there. It looks so classy and elegant, and I wore it for my 30th birthday in November. I just love this dress. It's so beautiful. This one is in a size 12. Okay, so Portmans recently had a sale, and yeah, I went a little bit nuts. All their dresses were like $50, skirts were $30, and tops were $30. So I picked this dress up here for $50. Original price, $130. It's just, I could not believe it. It's this beautiful thick material. It's a plain black dress, but it has this rose gold zip at the back, and then it has a tie around the waist. And this one is a size 10. I picked up this $30 top. Now this one is a size 12, and it's just a nice coral blouse, and it's got frill sleeves there. I just wanted to get it to tuck into high-waisted skirts. I've wanted one of these skirts for so long. It's like one of those mermaidy kind of skirts with the frill at the bottom. Oh, I just love it. Now this one is in a size 10, and it's just black. It's just, oh, it's just so nice. I freaking love it. $30. And I've got a few more skirts as well. This one is a navy high-waisted skirt. So it's got a rose gold zip, which I love. And then it's actually got a split thing there at the front. I'm a little bit cautious that it comes too high, but it's actually not too high at all. It's really lovely fitting, and it's a nice long skirt, so it goes below the knee. And I love that it has this tie around the waist with the rose gold detail on it too. Another $30 skirt. This one is this beautiful floral pattern. Can you tell I love floral? This one here is a size 10 as well. It does have a slit somewhere, oh, here on the side, but I haven't unpicked it yet. But yeah, nice long one. I just thought that would be really cute to wear to events and things like that. And then lastly, another skirt, another $30 skirt. This one is like has the frill at the bottom, and I just thought it was so cute, so summery. I can wear this casually, or I can wear it to work, and yeah, I just love this one. It was a size 10 as well. It's hard because I was like really in between sizes, so I went down to the size 10, which might be a little bit too small now, but I would rather get something that I'm going to fit into soon than it's going to be too big, or even the fact that it doesn't fit me now, but then that'll motivate me so that I keep going, so then I will lose enough weight to fit perfectly into it, you know what I mean? Got some tempt items. So first up, I have this blouse. Now this is just like, oh no, has it got stains on it? Damn. It's a beautiful blush color. It has these silver zips on the front. This one was $14.95. I didn't even try it on. I probably should have, considering it has stains on the back of it. So thanks, Tempt. And then I got a couple of just basic bodysuits. I don't have any bodysuits, and I'm kind of like getting into wearing them. So this is just a ribbed bodysuit, white. I got a large, and these ones were $10. So I picked up a black and a white one. Hopefully they look good. And then I just got this plain top, which is kind of like the Dotti ones. It's the ribbed material, but it's slinky. This one I got in a medium for $10. Now I wore this top yesterday, so it is dirty, but I thought I'd show you anyway. This one was $14.95, and it's just this navy or black. I think it's black and white striped, and it just has this frill at the front. Just looks really cute. I got some items at Valleygirl too. I got mainly basics. I got a few tops. So I got this floral top with this frill down the front. I thought that that was just really cute and summery for $20 in a size 12. And then I thought that this would be nice for work. This is just a plain black top blouse with lace like shoulders. This one was $14.95 in a size 12. Then I got a bunch of basics. You know what? I love these because they're doubled up, so they're really thick. And these ones were only $10. So I got a white medium, and they've got like a, oh, they're doubled up because they've got like a shelf bra thingy there. But I love that, like with high-waisted skirts or whatever in summer. Oh, that one's got makeup on it. Cool. It should teach me to check things before I buy them. And then I got a black, and I think the black's in a large because they didn't have a medium. Then I got this nude color also in a medium. I bought one thing at the Forever New sale, and I was really proud of myself for only getting one thing. But I picked up this dress, which has the frill hem, and the colors are just gorgeous. It's like a blush with some purples and greens and whites. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. Now this is a size 12, and I think I picked it up for around $70. I went to Famous Footwear and I got a few pairs of shoes. Firstly, I have these Mules, I think that's what you call them, from London Rebel. How cute are they? So they're nude, and then they just like cross over at the front like that with a little heel, or medium-sized heel, I guess you'd say. These ones were $24. I have a pair similar to these, which are from Kmart, and they're kind of like, they've seen their day. So I saw these ones, and they're a little bit different. I don't think they'll be as comfortable, but yeah, just these plain nude heels. I wear them all the time, the Kmart ones. I haven't broken these in yet, but yeah, just a nice chunky heel, something casual or dressy with a really thick gold buckle. These ones were $36. I picked up a few basics also at Ali Fashion. I just realized like I don't have many basics to just wear as not underneath things, if you know what I mean, like nice basics. So this top I actually wore in a video. It's just a plain singlet, but it's like the double up thickness. This one is a large, and I think that these were all like $13.95 or something like that. This one here is a medium, and it's just like a taupey beige kind of color. This one's a little bit different, but it's a medium, but it's got the high back on it. I wish I could have got one like the other ones. This one is so crinkled, sorry. And then I got this little cap sleeve top, which is very similar to that one that I got from Tempt. But this one I think is a little bit nicer. Then I got this black top, which is just like a blouse. It's just a V-neck blouse. This one was $15.95, and I got it in a size 12. It also did come in a blush as well. I have another Dotti bag. This stuff was all on sale, like big time. The first thing is this jacket here. Now this is one of their, I think they're called PU Biker jacket or something like that, or Rocker Girl jacket or something. These fit amazing, and I'm so annoyed because I've got the blush and the black in a size 12, and they're just getting a bit big for me. And I saw this one on sale in a size 10, so I got it, and I think it was like $27 or something like that. These are the best. They're just the perfect length for me, like cropped. They fit so nicely. Then I actually picked up 3 blouses. They're all the same, and they were all on sale really cheap. They're a long sleeve blouse, and they have this little keyhole thing at the front, and then they have buttons down the back. You can't tell in this floral one, but then yeah, they just fit really nicely. And I got these all in a size 10. I have a size 12 in another color from a few years ago, and it's a little bit too big, so these ones fit fine. So I got a burgundy, a floral, and then this navy blue one. They're just a wear to work type thing, but yeah, I really love them. They fit really well. I picked up some sandals from Novo for this season. This first pair I wear all the time. So they're a nude with like a, is it gold, or it's kind of rose gold, but gold. I don't know. But these I wear all the time. They're so comfortable, and they just go with everything. They're just basic sandals. And this next pair I actually bought to wear to the wedding that we went in Bali, and they are so pretty. So they've got pearls and like jewels on them. They're so gorgeous. So I'm a size 6, I think, and I picked these both up in a size 6 or 5 or 6, yeah. So I think that these ones were a bit pricey. I think I paid full price on these ones and half price on the others. So these ones were 60, and then the other ones might have been like 30 or 25 or something. I also picked up a few dresses in Myer. I got these on a massive sale, like literally, and you might still be able to get them, so that's what I wanted to show you, because I've had a look online, and there's still some of them online. I think these ones were like $40 or $30 or something. So this is a red dress that when I dress up as there's something about Mary, I got this dress, and it's a taquito size 12. And then I think that these ones are all taquito size 12 actually. These are just to wear to work. I've stopped wearing a uniform at work, and so I just wear casual. Well, not casual, I just wear, you know, office attire. Then I got this black dress which has like, you know, stripes in it and a floral pattern through it. It's a V-neck, and yeah, that one Comes with a belt, I think, as well, actually. Now, this one is a little bit squishy. This is a Taquito 12. Now, oh, this one's got its tag on. Original price was 90 and I think I paid 30 for it. So it's this checkered, but it's just like a fit and flare skirt, and it's a little bit squishy for me, just around like the chest. I can get it up. When I first got it, I couldn't do it all the way up, and now I can. So yeah, but that one's really cute too. But just check Maya for really discounted things. I got them when they had like a further 50% off or something off the already reduced price. It was insane. I actually picked up, oh, maybe I'll try that on for you, a Wayne Cooper dress, and it was down to $60 or something like that, or even less. Maybe it was like $40. It was so silly, and I haven't even worn it yet. So yeah, it's kind of like a gold dress for me, and it's a size 12. So that is all for my clothing and accessory haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I have been buying lately, and yeah, and how I'm fitting into things. And I don't know, that sounded really weird, but like seeing as I've lost, you know, 13, 14 kilos from my heaviest weight, and now, you know, from being a size 14 to 16, well, really probably a 16 squishing into size 14 to now buying 10s and 12s. You guys, you know, would have seen my transformation of what I was wearing to what I'm wearing now, and yeah, I don't know, I find that interesting, and yeah. Anyway, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you soon. Bye.